How you doing? Got myself up on the roof and it's a good one. Great advert this one because it's opposite a school, isn't it? In North Wootton in Kings Lynn. So we've taken the opportunity. Look. Got a nice big 5-metre banner up there. But more importantly, not just the advert. This solar system's going to be an advert. You can see Rob is just finishing off the railing. Brackets are in. People often ask us about brackets. There is no drilling through tiles. We slide the tiles up, put the brackets in, bolt them in, and then you put your tiles back over, and then you put your rails across and the panels go on top of them. There is no drilling at all through any roof. Apart from on the odd slate roof, depends if we're going to use the limpets or not. But this is going to be an absolutely stunning one. Right slap bang in the middle, Rob's done this, so we've got an even gap either side. And then this is just going to be, look, have a look at the view. Look, there is no shade whatsoever apart from my advertising banner. So that is going to be an absolute banging solar system. And it really is the perfect advert. If we can get a solar system that is facing onto a school, that means that every single child that goes through that school, through the education system at that school, their parents, their carers, their grandparents who pick them up, every single person will see this solar system because we're directly opposite. I'm really happy with that, not just from a business point of view, but what we're trying to do is to make everything better for them, better for us financially right now and all the rest of it, but better for them because the planet's like crap, innit? So and humans ain't done a good job over the last 30-40 years, so it's going to be up to the people coming out of that school and then up to the big school and then into the colleges and the universities to actually make these sort of systems even better. And if this one solar system inspires one conversation from one family who have that school in their community, then my job's done. That makes me very, very happy, but I've got a funny feeling it'll be more than one conversation.